Okay, so we have a Glacier Bay 1.28. Please don't mind all the mess. It's dirty and gross. But that's what toilets do. They're dirty and gross. So, we are going to be replacing the nozzle. This is loose. I tried gluing it. My husband, we were using this to put on there to flush it. And I ordered these parts off of Amazon. We're going to replace that today. The first thing you do is go down below and shut off the water supply. The second is to flush the water out. You just, do your one little flushy and then twist this off. It comes off pretty easily, really. And then I'll clean all this up once I replace it. So the next thing is to take this off on the side. So we're going to do that next. I think I'm going to have to go get a tool to do that. Pop that puppy off. So, bear with me. This off, I'm assuming it would just pop off. Oh no, let's see, huh? Should just off, please. Well, I don't, oh, we have to unscrew this thing, probably. Okay. Wow, dang it. Okay, let's see, right here, tidy, lefty, loosey. Okay, oh, that's loose. There we go. Loosened it up enough, I think. Or not. Oh, I wouldn't know. That won't lift straight out. I don't want to break that. So, I think I have to go get something else to loosen that thing. Okay. Okay, I'm back. I have the right tool now, I believe. If I don't, just go get a different one. Scoot over, fella. Let's see. Righty, tighty, lefty, loosey. Well, how do you know which one this way goes? Well, it's moving, so why can't I just twist it with my fingers? Oh, there we go. Okay, it's loose. Oh, and then see that down there? Probably just push that out. Oh, that shot out. Okay. So now, how do we get this out? Oh, okay, so you turn it over. Wait, we gotta loosen this one too, on this side. Okay. It goes the same direction as that guy. Or opposite. Bear with me. There we go. It's loose. Or not. Okay. I am not a plumber by trade. Okay, we got this. Oh, come on. Okay, I am just gonna... People make it look so easy on videos. Get. Sorry. Okay, one sec. Let me get it, and then I'll bring you back. Okay, got it loose. So that's loose, and then you pop this puppy probably. Guessing. Hey, there we go. Got that. Okay, so now those are loose. I'm gonna flip it over. No. Okay. Pull one side up, maybe? I don't know. Maybe we pop it down? Let's see. What do you do? What do you do? So I know it slides. Well, can't just slide it up because of that guy. I don't want to break that. I don't want to break this. I don't know. Maybe. If I could get one side, then I could get the other side. Do I squeeze it? Honestly, I don't even know how this works. That's why I was hoping to find a video. If I can't find a video, I'll make a video and then I can have somebody else. Do I just break it? Maybe I just break it off. Ouch, my back. Okay. How do you get off of there? I think you just pull it. I don't want to. Okay, maybe not. Well. Do I push this? Pew, this stinks. Okay, push this down. Is it attached to something? Okay, tell you what. I'm going to pause it, and then when I figure out how it actually comes apart, I will show you. Okay, so I figured it out. These right here, you need to squeeze together. They have a little lip, and then you pull up. So I'm going to do that on this side. Squeeze together and pull up. See, I kind of squeeze together like that, and then you pull it up. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Let's see if we can. You watch. You stay there. Hold on. I can use this. Hello. Or not. Maybe not. Oh, great. I'm just going to try this here. Squeeze and pull. I'm going to flip it over though, so hopefully I don't break this. Come on, you. Got that one. Come together. There we go. Come on. Come on. Okay, let's try this again. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Push. Pull. Don't break anything. Don't break it. Well, that worked on that side. Well, it looks like it's doing something. Maybe if I... Come on. Work with me. How about these? I'll try these. Work with me. Wait, honest. Okay. Let's see. You... Okay, there we go. Oh, stop. Maybe I need different grabbers. Seriously. Everything just takes more time than you'd imagine. I just thought, oh, okay, I'll just put this new handle on. Come on. Go. We got it! Okay. So now, oh yeah, buddy. Oh, sorry folks. Gotta show you. Okay, so they both slid out. There we go. Oh, that needs a cleaning. I clean you up. So now here's the old parts. Oh, gimme. I have to say, I do love this toilet though. It never just runs, leaks water, anything like that. So, whoop. Okay. After I clean up all this stuff and I start to put it back together, I will come back to you. Okay, so while I was cleaning, this guy fell out. So I'm assuming it goes down in there. We'll see. But anyway, here's the replacement parts. Got them off at Amazon. They were like $7 something, I think. Anyway, I'm going to open up the bag. We're going to try and put this puppy back together. Hopefully this goes better than my washing machine repair that I took all of it apart and then we went and bought a new washing machine because I had no clue what I was doing. Which, you know, is usually the case, but usually figure it out. Okay, so here's everything that we have. All this stuff. So first I'm going to put, I don't know what I'm going to do first because I have no idea what I'm doing. So let's just go try this out. Okay, so I cleaned this fella out a wee bit. Maybe I should put these on under. Oh, I wanted to show you too. See, so it has like little grips right there, and that's why you gotta squeeze them to get them out. Let's see. I'm gonna assume that we put these on here first, and then put it on there, on here, because we can probably turn them. I'll try it, I guess. Give her a go. I'll put this end over here. That's what I did here. I didn't tighten it all the way. Just I'm just gonna try that. Hopefully I'm doing it right. Oh yeah, and I guess you probably want to make sure you put the one for the handle. This guy, see the little the edge right there, that's for the handle. So you want to put that one on the handle side. Oh, hey, don't break on me, no. Okay. Oh. Okay, I don't think I broke. Okay. So now we're doing this. Put the threads. Put the. Wait. Just do it like this, I think. We're gonna try it. We're learning together. And then this guy. See that guy there. Yeah, I know. Fancy terminology, huh? Okay, so you put the washer and screw that on a bit. I'm gonna do that. If we can do it without. Wait. Why aren't you tighter there? Not really sure what's happening. Okay, so I got him on there. And that guy, that. And now we'll see if I can just slip this fella. I know it's not clean all the way, but it's a toilet. Let's see how we do. Okay, so I'm gonna go flipped it all the way upside down, okay? And now I have it sticking out the hole with the washer on it. So now I'm gonna flip this over again and I should be able to slide that right on it. Holding it on the outside. I'm gonna flip that and it should pop right on, okay? It should. Let's see if it does. Oh heavens, are you kidding me, life? Look, I put the tub on backwards. It's supposed to sit like this. Yeah, so I put it backwards. So, of course it wouldn't work. So I have to take that and put it over there. And then we'll get it. Hopefully. Okay. I can do this. Low, under, like that. Go under it and attach that part, then attach this part and that. With him on this side, with that down below, okay, push it, and then you should be able to squish it tight enough to pull this up and then push it down on top. We're going. Now you have to hold on to this side while you pull this up. So I have to put you down. So now I twist on those, tighten up those. Okay, we're gonna do that first. We got that. Focus, please. Why not focusing? Hello? Oh, there you go. Finally got that replaced. And that on that side there. Now it's just a matter of figuring out if this little guy goes in here and putting the handle on. So we'll see. Wow. Okay. Screw that on there. Okay. And put that little white color back in here. Oh, hey. I guess not too tight. You don't want to break it, do you? It's crooked. What did I do? So I put that on with the little white rubber stopper that fell out. Then I pushed that until it popped. So the real question is, when we turn on the water, will it work? Oh, I hope. Okay. Woohoo! Okay, flushing. Thank you for doing this with me. So glad that it worked and I did it right and I'm going to surprise my husband. So I hope this helps. Please be kind to my dirty toilet. It's not really something I pay attention to in here to clean. So I just hope it helps you.